Unlock the power of Namaste, transform your yoga practice, and achieve a healthy body. Picture this. You're standing on your yoga mat, ready to begin your practice. As you take a deep breath and prepare to dive into your first pose, you hear your instructor say, "Let's begin with a Namaste." You bring your hands together at your heart, gently bow your head, and whisper the word, Namaste. But have you ever wondered what this simple gesture truly means? And how it can transform your yoga practice and contribute to a healthy body? Namaste is a Sanskrit word that translates to "I bow to you," or "the divine in me honors the divine in you." This greeting is more than just a word. It's a powerful concept that encompasses the essence of yoga and its potential to create harmony, balance, and unity within ourselves and with others. By understanding the deeper meaning of Namaste and incorporating its principles into our yoga practice, we can unlock a whole new level of physical, mental, and spiritual benefits. First and foremost, Namaste reminds us of the importance of setting an intention for our yoga practice. When we begin our practice with a Namaste, we are consciously acknowledging the divine within ourselves and others. This creates a sense of connection and unity, allowing us to let go of our ego and approach our practice with humility, gratitude, and an open heart. By setting a clear intention, we can cultivate a more focused and purposeful practice, ultimately leading to a stronger, healthier body. In addition to setting intentions, the concept of Namaste teaches us the importance of mindfulness and presence in our yoga practice. The act of bringing our hands together at our heart and bowing our head is a physical reminder to be fully present in the moment, letting go of any distractions or worries. This mindful approach not only enhances our ability to perform each pose with proper alignment and breath control, but also allows us to truly listen to our bodies and honor their needs. As a result, we can prevent injuries, build strength, and improve flexibility, all while cultivating a deeper mind-body connection. Moreover, Namaste encourages us to cultivate compassion and empathy, both on and off the mat. When we honor the divine within ourselves and others, we are more likely to approach our practice and our interactions with kindness, understanding, and non-judgment. This attitude can help us create a more supportive and nurturing environment for our yoga practice, allowing us to grow and evolve both physically and emotionally. Furthermore, studies have shown that practicing compassion can have a positive impact on our overall health, including reduced stress levels, improved immune function, and increased longevity. Finally, the practice of Namaste can help us develop a sense of community and connection with our fellow yogis. By acknowledging and honoring the divine within each person, we are reminded that we are all interconnected and share a common goal of personal growth and self-discovery. This sense of unity can provide us with the motivation and support we need to maintain a consistent yoga practice, ultimately leading to a healthier and more balanced life. So, the next time you step onto your yoga mat, take a moment to truly embrace the power of Namaste. Set a clear intention, practice mindfulness, cultivate compassion, and connect with your fellow yogis. In doing so, you'll not only transform your yoga practice but also achieve a healthy, balanced body and mind. If you found this video helpful and want to learn more about how yoga can improve your life, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights and tips. Namaste.